Welcome to Smart Technical and Engineering YouTube channel. Today we will present types of switch for using in residential building. Please continue to watch till to the end.
One gang, one-way switch. This can be get on two-way also, but same appearances. Two gang, one-way switch. Three gang, one-way switch. Four gang, one-way switch. Doorbell switch. Dimmer switch. One gang switch plus dimmer. $20 switch. $43 switch. $43 switch 3x6. Blank cover 3x6. Blank cover.